In the Shada household, our boy Jake is the creature catcher. And last night, his skills were on full display. Yep, that's right. He found the biggest, fattest cockroach. He flew. Oh my gosh.
Huge. It's like a beetle, but it's a cockroach. He's behind this canoe frame. That was the only one to track him. Get it correctly. I mean, realistically, I need to smack him, but he's just so massive that like I need something to kill him with.